फ्रेंड्स, मैं हूं अनम और आज मैं आपको क्लास 7 सिविक्स का चैप्टर नंबर 2 रोल ऑफ गवर्नमेंट इन हेल्थ डिक्टेट करने वाली हूं। अगर आपको ये वीडियो फास्ट लगे तो आप इसकी स्पीड रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, in this chapter you have read that health is a wider concept than illness. Observe this quote from the Constitution and explain the terms living standard and public health in your own words. An important aspect of Constitution says it is the duty of the state to raise the level of nutrition and the standard of living to improve public health. Now we will write answer. Living standard is defined as an individual's level of living with regard to wealth, comfort, material goods and in this context health. Living in excellent hygienic conditions is a good indicator of how high the living standard of an individual or the nation in general is. On the contrary, the lower the hygienic standards, the lower the living standards. Public health is defined as the science of protecting and improving the general health of the general population, through education, policy making, and research on disease and injury prevention, Question number 2. What are the different ways through which the government can take steps to provide health care to all? Discuss. Answer. Considering the case of Kerala government, state governments can empower local panchayats by funding them. In the process making them self-reliant healthcare unit. Governments can lay emphasis on imparting education regarding healthcare to local populace such as healthy habits and the benefits of a healthy lifestyle by providing sanitation, safe drinking water, sanitation and nutrition, organization of free health checkups, on a monthly basis will also play a crucial role. Question number 3. This question is supposed to be surveyed and done in your area. So we will move on to question number 4. Improvement in water and sanitation can control many diseases. Explain with the help of examples. Answer: poor quality of water leads to rise in many communicable diseases like cholera, typhoid, and jaundice. In addition to that, the sources of such poor quality water often act as a breeding ground for parasites and insects. Particularly stagnant water particularly stagnant water, can cause mosquitoes to breed. Can cause mosquitoes to breed. Which are agents of chikungunya, dengue, malaria, etc. Eliminating these breeding grounds for parasites will prove crucial in improving the health conditions of the populace living nearby. So here was the end of our video. If you like the video, like it, share it and subscribe our channel for more new videos. Thanks for watching.